अनेकू स्वागत.
Tell about this hall. ये बताइए मुझे सर ये क्या हॉल है?
Yeah, I can go ahead.
Yeah.
Welcome to NMIMS Bengaluru campus. This is our classroom where we teach MBA programs, BCom, BBA, BSc classroom. This classroom, if you notice, it's a state of the art. Behind us, you could see the board. Rupesh, would you like to operate it? Yeah, you can start. Yeah. This is going to be it's a computer digital board where we get connected to Bloomberg terminals also. We get the data points which is being displayed in our boards, and this is a gallery kind of a classroom where we get to see the students one-on-one group discussion. We will engage them. When we do the case studies, we do have their display of their main boards so that we are able to enable continuous assessment of their marks. So this is the state of the classroom. Welcome you all to the learning environment which is prevailing at NMIMS Bengaluru campus.
Okay, thank you. We have some school, and the B school actually gave rise to a university. We started way back in 1981 with a very humble, just 40 students, 4 full-time faculty members, and just around 3,000 odd books in our library. This was situated near Bhaidas Hall, which is a landmark in Vileparle in Mumbai. Today I am proud to say that I am part of an association with an institute which has now grown to over 26,000 students across 7 campuses, and we have got from 4 full-time faculty members to 850 plus full-time faculty members. What started as a management program, we have expanded it to a management and a family business management programs. We have also expanded to other programs like in STEM. So we have engineering, we have pharmacy, we have sciences, mathematics, architecture, and design. We also have expanded into humanities, commerce, law. We are also one of the only universities that run new age programs like branding and advertising. This is specifically for people who are wanting to do a career in advertising. One of the, so if you see, there are not many institutes.
And then we further help them build a habitat in itself. Other thing which we also did over there was lake cleaning, which Naraini ma'am correctly mentioned, and it was part of our winter internship program. One other thing that NMIMS gives the students is the cloth donation drive with Udyam organizers for a college, and this helped us as NMIMS students build a social responsibility initiative in us, including tells us that what is the importance of sustainability in our everyday life. Thank you so much. Now I give mic to SOL students to take over. Manya
and use Gen AI in their curricula and in their learning process, because when we graduate the students and send them to the industry, they have to be industry ready. They cannot ignore Gen AI. But how to learn responsibly and utilize them ethically, that we train them here. It is the entire 20,000 plus students have an exposure to Gen AI tools. So they don't use it just like that. They learn how to create their own Gen AI, open AI platform, and they're being trained, and it has been well incorporated into the curricula across schools, both in SBM, SOC, SOL, as well as SOE. So each and every faculty member, we've been trained on Gen AI. Faculty members, development program, because we believe in train the trainers. Before we go to the students, all the faculty members do have an access to Gen AI tools, and they have a training to Gen AI tools. It is not only for, how do we use it? to create multiple, customize the learning environment for the students. If some students needed a more number of practice.
BSc students, and we house School of Business Management, School of Commerce, School of Economics and School of Law programs at our campus. And NMIMS MBA program has been, Bangalore campus program has been rated in the top positions both in the state as well as in the country. And NMIMS University has a vision and a pioneer in introducing Gen AI policy for the university, which NMIMS Bangalore campus take it forward very seriously. All our students and the stakeholders at the campus, we follow responsible Gen AI practices. We ensure that Gen AI tools are utilized ethically and advances our learning and teaching processes in the university. We take sustainability initiative of the campus very seriously. We work closely with all the stakeholders in the society to ensure that our sustainability initiatives create a good impact in the country. How do we do that? We ensure that our curriculum has got sustainability frameworks as being embedded in all the school's curriculum. We have tied up with world's largest accounting and finance professionals, CIMA and CPA, and talk about sustainable case studies which are happening in and around Karnataka and take it to the world about the good practices in sustainability. We work with United Nations in their sustainability initiatives, and our students have been recognized as.
I head the marketing and PR function for NMIMS University. I'm very today proud to say that what started as a single campus in Mumbai with just 40 students, 4 full-time faculty members and 3,000 odd books. Today NMIMS University has expanded to a total of 7 campuses, and we have a total of 26,000 students now across 17 specialized schools, offering diverse programs from management, engineering, pharmacy to architecture, design, and even new age programs like music, performing art, which comes under the School of Performing Arts, to the School of Branding and Advertising. We are also happy to say that beyond our existing campuses, which are at Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Shirpur in Maharashtra, and Indore in Madhya Pradesh, in Chandigarh in our north, and our south campuses at Hyderabad and Bangalore. We are also expanding rapidly to Ahmedabad, which will be coming up this year. Post Ahmedabad, we will be launching a campus in Noida, followed by our foray in the eastern parts of India with a campus at Bhubaneswar, and the last campus will be coming up, which very soon will be in our home state of Nagpur.
Thank you.
Thank you.